You can bulk upload the multiple videos on your YouTube channel in one go, and this is what you will learn in this video. So if you're here for this purpose, then keep on watching. So I've opened up my channel in which I want to upload my multiple videos that I have created for this channel. So first of all, as you normally upload a video, you will click the create and then click upload videos, and here you need to click the select files and browse the files where they are available. Right here, as you can see that I have around 12 files which I want to bulk upload right at in one go. So I'm just going to select all these 12 files and then click open. So what will happen is that the YouTube would start to upload these videos and this pop-up box will appear. These videos will be uploaded with their default titles and with no description and tags. So the videos will be private unless you make them public. So there's no need to worry that if this video is let's say get to 100% upload, it will not go public. So what you can do is that you can click one by one on each of the video and give the title, description and tags to them, and then you can either schedule these videos or you can make them go public. Unfortunately, right now the YouTube itself does not offer the bulk uploading of the titles, descriptions or tags. However, there are third-party softwares available like the TubeBuddy and vidIQ, and there is one method in which you can create an Excel sheet, and then by using the some kind of a script you can upload. I'm not very much aware with that. You can look for that if you are an advanced user, but for the normal people like me, I would suggest that you do as I have done. I've uploaded all these 12 files. Now I'll just click one by one and I'm going to give the name to all of them. So I'm going to give the tags. So once this description is complete, I'm going to copy this description for subsequently pasting into the other videos. So I'm going to click the playlist, select the playlist on which I want to add this video. I'm going to come down and add the tags. Nowadays the tags are not very important, but I would still recommend to give few tags, like in my case I'm adding quiz, trivia, guess the junk food from the picture, and I would suggest if you are uploading a YouTube short, then give these tags: YouTube, hashtag YouTube short and hashtag short. So I'm also going to copy this, and then you can use these tags if they are relevant, which the TubeBuddy or vidIQ suggests. Then click next. Here you can add a related video, which is the long form content. As you know that with your YouTube shorts, you can add a related video to promote that video. Click next. Then as you go, just keep on going and click next, and then here you can click this schedule. Let me check my schedule on which I want to upload. So I've checked my date. I'm going to upload it on, rather I'm going to schedule upload on 18th of Feb. I'm going to select the time 1800 hours, and then I'm going to press schedule, and this video will get scheduled. Now I'm not going to make this tutorial very long. I'm just going to show you one more, that how you are going to copy the same title and tags into the remaining videos. So I'm just going to go back to the description and click the, I'm going to paste this description here. I'm going to change this to video number 3. The title, we have a spelling mistake, so I'm going to correct that. So I will also copy this because we are going to use this. I'm going to come down, select the playlists, and then I'm going to come down, add the hashtags which we have already added over here, and then I'm going to go and schedule this also. So after 18th of Feb, we are going to click this 25th. The time we keep it to 1800 hours, and then we are going to click schedule. So that's how you can do a bulk upload on your YouTube channel. But you have to but in case you don't want to use a third-party software, you will have to add the title, description and tags manually for everyone, and then later on you can schedule. Thanks for watching.